Hi, I'm Beatriz. I'm 16 years old, and today I'm going to talk about the worldwide plastic problem. It is everywhere because it's almost endlessly useful. And when it's thrown away, if plastic finds its way into a plant like this, a lot of it can be made into something useful all over again. But every year, more and more plastic waste ends up here, and a global team of scientists has now tracked the production and disposal of plastic all around the world and used that information to forecast the scale of our plastic pollution problem for the next 20 years. If we were to count all together all the plastic waste that is going to be released into the environment, both on land and reaching the seas, this would be the staggering number of 1.3 billion tons of plastic. 1.3 billion tons is so big of a number it's almost unimaginable. How can you visualize how much waste that is? If you were to spread this on a thin layer of land, it would be 1.5 times the size of the UK. Household waste, the scientists say, is by far the biggest source of all this pollution. They calculated that every year 30 million tons is dumped on land. Nearly 50 million tons is burned out in the open, and that's in addition to the 10 million tons that find its way into our oceans. Many of us might do our bit with reusable water bottles and coffee cups, but there's an estimated 2 billion people in the global south who have no access to any formal waste collection. They are simply left to account what to do with all their rubbish. Providing protection and safe employment for workers in low-income countries who collect and sort out of that waste will be just as important globally as reducing the production single-use plastic. And while these new figures are daunting, the researchers that say that recognizing the source and the scale of this problem is the first step in stemming the worldwide tide of plastic pollution. Thanks for watching. Let's grow!